The most basic form of optimization we call SKU optimization, and it's the first strategy inside of the PPC Entourage Blueprint Series. And SKU optimization is really simple. You're basically looking at the SKUs that are inside of your campaign to determine whether or not those SKUs are profitable or not, and whether or not you want to pause a particular SKU. So you can do this quickly and easily inside of Seller Central. On PPC Entourage, we have the ability to see the SKUs that are not performing well highlighted in a red color over here. So this correlates to the ACOS Profit Zone, which is over here. If I were to change this particular number, let's make this 100, then this one over here is below that threshold. So the ACOS Profit Zone is very important to understand, and it will determine in our system, and if you're doing this on Seller Central too, knowing what you're comfortable with as far as your ACOS profit zone, it's like the line in the sand. It draws a line, and you can use that as a guidance point. Anything above that particular number, then you may decide to either pause something or do a negative exact or optimize based on that number. I typically set it to about 40% because that's what my profit margins are for my products. And then you're going to see down here, if you set that to 40%, there's a red alert for this SKU and this SKU because these two particular SKUs are well above that 40%. So in this case, if you wanted to go ahead and pause this particular SKU, you would have to do it inside of the ad group, right? Because here are all the different ad groups that these SKUs could be in. So I'm going to click on the second ad group over here. And in this ad group, they are performing a little bit differently. One has no sales, right? Zero ACOS, which means it has $2.33 in ad spend and zero ACOS. And this one has a nice ACOS of 18.25%. So I'm going to keep this one on. And just to demonstrate, what I'm going to do here is just pause this here. Now this is syncing with Amazon, and it's going to be paused inside of Seller Central. So that is SKU optimization, the most basic form of optimization, just pausing the SKUs that are not performing well based on your ACOS and where you want that to be for a particular SKU.